dahan-dahan lang sa gitna man ng daan. Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyo. San ba ako dinadala?
Bawat ngiting biglang nabura, iyong naipinta. Hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang naaliw, kahit saan man madala.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin.
Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan lang sa gitna man ng daan.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin.
Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan lang sa gitna man ng daan.
Lift up your eyes, child. Don't be afraid. I hold the world in the palm of my hand. Lift
27 years ago, nakikita-kita mo lang ako na naka-raffles na underwear. Sabi mo nga. 17 years ago, nagkaroon ka ng pagkakataong makilala ko. At ang pagkakataon na yun ay hindi mo na pinalampas. Sino ba naman ako para tumanggi sa isang baby boy na katulad mo?
Wherever you go, I will be there. When all you see is air.
Bukod sa mabait, yun nga, napakabait mo pa. At higit sa lahat, ubod ng bait.
With you, there's nothing to fear.
Salamat po sa lahat. Sana wag kang magsawang sumuporta sa amin. Sana lagi ka lang nandyan para i-guide kami. At mahal na mahal kita.
Keep you safe.
Tay, ito na yung hinihintay mo. Sana masaya ka. Samahan mo akong pumaya sa paglalakad ko. Mahal na mahal kita, Tay.
Feel like you're sinking, sinking to my grave.
Saglit na lang. Ex na kita. Few moments more. Mrs. Gonzales ka na.
Oh, I will be with you. There's nothing to fear. Wherever you go, I will be there. When all you see is arrows, I'll be your shield. 'Cause I will be with you. There's nothing to fear.
Yun! Nga sabi ko eh.
What I can say to you is best wishes and congratulations.
Yun. Thank you so much. Good luck sa ating lahat.
Singing, oh, how I love you, child. I'm singing over you.
At gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, hindi naman talaga kita mahal. Kasi po, mahal na mahal ko po siya. I love you, love ko.
I can see it all, the color when summer turns to fall.
Ray, thank you so much.
Gone from what it was, quietly unfolding right in front of us. Words and tales from storybooks can't compare, they're not as good. Looking at you now, it's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe, but I don't need to write it. I knew you were right.
For the forever single, Maricel. For the wackiest person, Yayi. And then for the prim and proper, Hiraya.
Remember how we are, living every minute, loving every part. I'll keep it in
From this moment on, pipiliin ka araw-araw. Please don't walk behind me, because I may not lead. Please don't walk in front of me, because I may not follow. Just walk beside me and hold my hand para we will make it together.
It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe.
Raybird and Monica, you need to accept the reality that life on earth is too short. Maigli lang po ang buhay. That's why, if you have opportunities along the way to make beautiful memories, the time spent with family is worth every second. Ang sabi nga ng kanta, ang mahalaga, kasama kang tumanda.
No denying, I knew you were right for me. For me. I don't need to write it, I knew you were right.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Your unconditional love is the greatest gift of all. You have seen me at my best and at my worst. I'm not perfect, but I promise you that I love you with all my heart. I am yours. You can have it all. I love you so much, my baby boy.